Hello students, in this video we will see problem on pyramid. A hexagonal pyramid base 25 mm side and axis 55 mm long has a corner of base in HP. Its axis makes angle 30 degree with HP and parallel to VP. Draw front view and top view. So it is given that the axis of hexagonal pyramid inclined at 30 degree to HP and parallel to VP. So we will assume it is perpendicular to HP with corner of base A in HP. So first of all, draw horizontal line and give name to this line as X and Y. Now we will draw true shape of hexagonal pyramid. It is hexagon at in HP. So this is VP and this is HP. So draw hexagon at in HP. So first of all, for center line I will draw a horizontal line and base 25 mm side is given. So this is the center point and I will draw a hexagon. For this 25 mm side is given. So like this I will roughly draw a light circle because it is a simple method for drawing hexagon. Now we have to draw horizontal points. So for this I will take these 2 points and draw arc. And now I have got all the points. Now join these. This is the simple method for drawing hexagon. And hexagonal pyramid has a corner of base in HP is given. So we have drawn corner at right side. Now you can draw this circle. Now give names as A, B, C, D, E and F. Now draw the inner portion of hexagon. So this is point OP. Now take projections of all these points. these 2 points lies on the same line. Then E and C lies on the same line, and last at point D. Now, as we know, the pyramid has apex at top. And 55 mm long given. So measure 55 at center, and this is the apex point. Now join all these points by slanted lines. This line I have drawn wrong. So rough it and draw again. Like this. Now give names to all these points. This is A dash, then B dash, F dash, then center OP, that is P dash, O dash, then CE, so C dash, E dash, and here D dash. Now draw axis by line like this. Now its axis makes 30-degree angle with HP is given. So axis makes 30-degree angle. So draw 60-degree angular line. Take any point, say this, and draw 60-degree angle. So this is 30. So this is 60. So 60-degree angle. From this point measure 60-degree on this side like this and draw a line. So when axis makes 30-degree, that is this is the axis and it makes 30-degree, so axis will be like this. So this base line will be on this line. Now this point shows this D dash. So here give name as D dash. I will give in VP. So this point is D dash. Now measure distances from D dash to A dash, then D dash to B dash, F dash, then D dash to axis and D dash to C, E dash. So this is the base of hexagonal pyramid in inclined direction. Now draw a perpendicular line from this axis point. So 90° here, and I will draw line from axis like this. So when you see, this is the angle theta, which is 30°. You can verify this from this point, as this is complete 30 degrees. So we have drawn correctly. Now measure axis distance in rounder and draw here. Now join all these points to this apex, that is O dash. And draw axis also. Give all the names. This is O dash, then here D dash, then here C dash, E dash, C dash, E dash, then P dash, B dash, F dash, and last A dash. Now top view is remaining in stage 2. For this, take projections from front view and take projections of this top view horizontally. Now join. First take all the points, as this is A dash and here A dash. So this is point A, then B dash, F dash on this line, and this is point B, this is point F, then P dash, O dash, P dash, we will draw axis later, then C dash, E dash. So here E and here C, and this is point D. Now this is apex, that is O, which is on this line. So this is O point. Now draw all the outer points. First draw all outer points. By dark lines. Then see here and join all the points, that is EF. So EF already joined, CB already joined, Then this O point is joined to A and D. So join O point to A and D. Then O point is joined to F and C. So OF and C already joined, OC joined, then OB, join OB. Now CEF joined, AF joined, AB joined, BC joined, CD and ED is remaining. So join CD and ED. Now see here, we will see from top because projections we have taken from top to bottom. So this is the direction of observer. So when observer will see from top, then this C and D, this portion will be hidden. So join these lines by dotted lines CD. Now give axis points O dash P dash. So O already given P here. So this is point P. So in this way we have completed projection of hexagonal pyramid. Now show this side as 25. So this is 25 and this axis height is 55. Now give name here front view and this shows top view. So in this way we have completed. Thank you.